Hello my dear friends, welcome to my channel. So today's video I am going to show you all the products that I got in my Ipsy Glam bag. Just to let you know that I am a regular subscriber just like you. I am not affiliated to Ipsy and I like to share all the products that I get monthly with you guys. This month I got a very mixed products like skincare and makeup. Last month it was basically all makeup, but let me show you. So this month the bag is very cute. It's velvety, very plushy, so nice to touch it. So I like it. The first product, it is from Murad and it is the Renew Eye Cream, and I am really excited to try this one because I am trying another face moisturizer from Murad and I am loving it. And my under eyes, they are like really dry and I'm always trying to find a very hydrating eye cream. The next one is the Callyssee. This is a Better Being Clean Face Coffee Cleanser. I'm guessing that this is also exfoliating. It doesn't say here, but this is a cleanser. The next one is the oil-free primer from It Cosmetics, and it says here that it's hydrating and it's an all-day grip technology. Let's see. The next one is from Pure, and this is a 4-in-1 Love Your Selfie long wear foundation concealer, and I got the shade TG7 Honey. Let's see if this is a good match. And the last product, it is from the Beauty Crop, and this actually is the one that I chose because you can choose a product every month. So Ipsy is gonna send you an email, let you know when you can choose your product, and they give you a window of 2 or 3 days for you to choose. Okay, so I chose this one, and this is a powder brush. So this is it, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you like it, please don't forget to give a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel. But before you leave, let me know in the comments down below if you got the same products or if you already use them and what you think about them. Okay, thank you so much for stopping by. See you next time. Bye.